what's up guys, it's X here at Fish and Biscuits. Kagan and I are on our way to Cypress Bend Park. The water was super cloudy and murky yesterday. We had a lot of rain with this cold front that we just had, full with a lot of soot, and you couldn't see the bottom, which is not like the Kamal at all. Usually you can see like 5 to 8 feet below you on the Kamal, if it even gets that deep in some spots. But anyways, that's not important. Kagan and I, we're gonna be throwing some dark colors, so your black and your blues, and if they're not biting that, then we're gonna switch it up to like green pumpkin. Not doing anything too crazy today. We only have about like 3 hours until sundown. It's about 2 o'clock. So yeah, again, thanks for watching. Hope y'all enjoy. Like and subscribe down below.
How to put on like a trailer on your jig right now?
So ideally what I'll do is I'll just kind of match the hook. See that it goes to about like right there. And then just slide it in like that and go through. I like to make sure the skirt's fully out of the way so that way you get like the full action.
And this one has a twist on at the end.
Yeah, these twist on trailer things are honestly goated because they help keep your plastics on. It makes the hugest difference in the world. It honestly does.
I'll show it at the end. Kind of put it up over here.
Then you kind of want it to go like that. So that way you can let the jig kind of bounce at the bottom, or you can reel it in and you're gonna get this action at the end.
Oh shit. Yeah,
I think you're on it.
no way.
You're probably gonna want to hop back out. So like,
Okay.
It gets a little shallow up.
Okay, cool.
Remember when we go like,
Yeah.
yeah, you're on it.
No way. Fuck me. Shit. Hold on. Oh fuck.
Tip it back over. You're stuck.
Oh fuck. My bait caster's gone. Fuck. Okay.
That way you're not cold. So just kind of do that quickly.
Well, I just flipped my kayak, lost my bait caster.
What I'm doing, guys, is I'm throwing on, this is a Guggen black and blue flake crawl. I usually don't throw Guggen plastics anymore, just because I found that they break on me all the time. I don't know what it is, this rattle and the action that you get from the crawl is just phenomenal. So I'll keep throwing these. They keep breaking apart after like 2 catches maybe, and the bead will fall out. since the water's still kind of murky with a little bit of soot, I'm gonna go ahead and throw on black and blue. And then it's also still, you know, post cold front, so they might be moving kind of sluggish. So I'll throw my jig, but I'm mainly gonna be working something where I can just kind of drag it on the bottom. Yep, we're on. There we go. Little guy. Ooh, freaking superior skip. You see that?
I could do better. Because I thought about it and I was like, if I hadn't grabbed onto my kayak, I might have drowned. Because my waders were full of water, well, and I couldn't touch.
Ryan and I were talking about that. Your water won't seep into them that much. Like, how full they got is the fullest they'll get. Because it suctions to you.
Yeah.
I still made this video just because, one, Kagan fell out, and y'all may want to see that.
And I lost my...
Two, I caught a little dink. And yeah, that's about it. I just want to show y'all that you can come out and you can fish after a cold front. It's just really hard to.
And you might get hypothermia, maybe.
And you might get hypothermia.
And lose your $200 bait caster.
That can happen. The reason why I'm throwing this is because it's not a big profile and you can never go wrong with the Senko worm. Especially whenever they're not biting.
I never thought about Texas rigging a Senko.
Dude, that's like the staple for me.
Really? I'm more of a wacky guy. So, looks like a new hat that's never been featured on the channel before. Have any words about that?
I'm in it.
Let's go.
I'm on.
Let's go.
Good little female.
Let's go. See, like I said, guys, whenever you're river fishing, don't go too crazy with it. You literally just want to throw Texas rig, Senko. I'm throwing on a 4-inch one because it's still cold, so these guys aren't moving that much. But yeah, so this is kind of what we're catching today. I'm going to keep fishing. We got about an hour and a half left. They're all over the place around that tree over there. Oh. Come on. That's a good one too. Guys, that's gonna be it for today's episode with fishing biscuits with Kagan and X. It's not a bad one. I'll take it for a wintertime bass. Nice belly on this guy. But yeah, man, see, choke that Ned rig. That's where you want it, just right there, right on the lip. That's a great hook set. Most importantly, thank you all so much for watching. And if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and like and subscribe at the bottom. And Kagan and I are gonna keep doing our best to keep coming out here and getting some awesome content for y'all.
Yeah.